How to stop people tagging you on Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. Over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll all the way down. You can see the option of settings and privacy. Click on it. Now go to the option settings, open it. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you can find the option of profile and tagging. Open that option. Now scroll down, you'll find this section for reviewing. You have to toggle on for both these options. Review tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Likewise, review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. After you toggle on for these options, you will be good to go. Now whenever you get tagged in any kind of post, you will get notification from Facebook to review whether you want to add that post to your timeline or not. This way you will be able to stop people from tagging you on Facebook. This is how you can stop people tagging you on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.